In this quick video, we'll learn how you can easily change your email address on Instagram. So if you need to change your Instagram account email address to some other email, then follow my steps because it's pretty easy to do so. Firstly, open your Instagram application and go over to your Instagram profile page. Once you're here, you want to tap on these 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. This menu will show up, and you want to tap on the Settings and Privacy option at the very top. When you get to the Settings page in Instagram, you will tap on the Account Center at the very top, and that's going to open another section in our Instagram settings where we can change our Instagram email. In order to access the email address that is connected to this account, I will click on the option called Personal Details under the Account Settings section. We can see our contact information, birthday info, and similar, and we will tap on the Contact Info option at the top. That's going to open the page where we can see our phone number as well as the email address that is connected with this Instagram account. I have multiple addresses, and you can tap on the email address that you don't want connected to this Instagram account anymore, and you can click on the Delete button to remove that email. If you want to add another email address and change it, simply tap on the Add New Contact option at the bottom, and you will be able to add a new email address to your Instagram account and change it. If you need more similar Instagram tutorial videos like this one, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I will see you soon.